What that boy doing? Shout out to my own. Thanks for holding it down. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the blessings. We rocking, we rolling. Y'all know how we rocking, we rolling.
Oh yeah.
All good vibes, all good energy, all good blessings.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you, God.
Yeah. 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us know. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's all done. Wait for the owner to come pick up. Turned out nice. I'm gonna put the AC in. That's why the dash is off. It's going to the AC shop. It's all done. Give me some action. Let me see what we're working with. Oh yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us know. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play.